How to get $100 Nike promo code. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in couponfollow.com and search for it. With that you will be directed to the official website of CouponFollow. Now at the top right you will find this search icon, click on it. At the top you'll see the search box. Over there type in Nike.com and search for it. With that, you will land to the Nike Store coupon codes page. Over here, you're gonna find tons of coupons and offers. Scroll down. The world's largest athletic apparel company, Nike is best known for its footwear, apparel, and equipment. Nike is one of the most valuable brands among sport businesses. Nike employs over 76,000 people worldwide. The mission of Nike is to drive product innovation for athletes everywhere. Countless ideas are tested in pursuit of aiding performance, injury risk reduction, enhancing perception and feel, and delivery of innovation products to athletes. To get discount on those products, you have to use these coupons. So you can scroll down and go through these offers. If you're interested in any of the offer, all you have to do is click on the option of see details. Make sure to check the expiration date of the coupon. If the code is valid, click on copy. Now you can head towards the website of Nike, and when you check out, apply this coupon code. For instance, I have chosen extra 20% off on my order. If you want to use this coupon code right away, click on this option redeem at Nike Store. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Nike. Now you can log into your account, and while you check out, apply this coupon. By applying the same process, you can grab other amazing deals. So that's all for this video. This is how you can get $100 Nike promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.